Let's see how to send a message at 12 o'clock on Instagram. To do that, we have to schedule the message for 12 o'clock. Go to your Instagram, tap on this message to go to your inbox. Go to the chat where you want to schedule the message, tap on the message box and type the message. Now, long press the send button, and here we can see the schedule message option. Now go ahead and select the scheduling date, and time we have to select 12 o'clock, and here make sure to select AM, then just tap on send, and that's it. You have successfully scheduled the message. Now to check all scheduled message in the chat, go to the chat. At the bottom here you get this scheduled message, tap on that, and here you get all your scheduled message. So that's how you can actually do it.